Hello friends, welcome to MCQ test series. Today we are going to take chapter number 6 and its name is Social Responsibility of Business and Business Ethics. So you people take pen and paper to note down your score and at last you can tell me your score in comment section. Okay, so let's start the test. First question is social responsibility is, options are like this: broader than legal responsibility, same as legal responsibility, narrower than legal responsibility, and none of this. So we know social responsibility is beyond legal responsibility. So obviously the answer is here option A, broader than legal responsibility. Next is, if business has to operate in a society which is full of diverse and complicated problems, it may have, options are like this: no relation with success or failure, little chance of success, great chance of success, or little chance of failure. So here we see the society is full of diverse and complicated problems are there in society. So here the chance of success is very less. That's why the answer is here option B, little chance of success. Next is, if business people have the skill to solve, business people have skills to solve, options are like this: no social problems, some social problems, all economic problems, all social problems. So business people, they have a skill, definitely they have skill, but they are not able to solve all problems, or they are not unable to solve any problem also. So here answer is option B, some social problems. Next is that an enterprise must behave as a good citizen is an example of its responsibility towards consumers, owners, community and workers. So when we are talking about good behavior or behavior as a good citizen, it is an example of responsibility towards community. We always have to behave in a good manner with them. So here in community, consumers are also there, owners are also there, and workers are also there. So our answer is here option C, community. Next is environmental protection can best be done by the effort of government, business people, scientists, or all of this. So when we are talking about environmental protection, it should be done by all the person or everyone in the society. So it is including government also, business people also, and scientists also. So here answer is all of these. Option D, all of these. Next is carbon monoxide emitted by automobile directly contribute to what? Air pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, or water pollution. So when we are talking about carbon monoxide emitted by automobile, it is polluting the air only. That's why here our answer is option A, air pollution. Next is, which of the following can explain the need for pollution control? First is reduction of health hazards, cost savings, reduced risk of liability, and all of these. So here when we see the options, they all are explaining that there is a need of pollution control. So that's why here answer will be option D, all of these. Next is, which of the following is capable of doing maximum good to society? Options are like this: professional management, ethics, business services, laws and regulations. So here when here the question is about capable of doing maximum good. So maximum good is covered in ethics only. So that's why the answer is here option B, ethics. Next is, ethics is important for top management, middle level managers, non-managerial employees, or all of these. So when we are talking about ethics, they are important to everyone, whether you are in top management or you are in non-managerial employee or middle level. So here answer is option D, all of these. Next is, which of the following alone can ensure effective ethics program in a business enterprise? Options are like this: involvement of employees, establishment of a compliance mechanism, publication of a code, or all of these. So when we want to ensure effective ethics program, the all options are included. So that's why here answer is option D, all of these. Next is, primary social responsibility of a business is to produce goods and services that society wants and sell them at a profit. This is called economic responsibility, legal responsibility, personal responsibility, or ethical responsibility. So here when we are talking about business, their primary function is to produce goods and services and sell them. So it is a part of economic responsibility. So here answer is economic responsibility, option A, economic responsibility. Next is, every business has responsibility to operate within the laws of the land as per DES. Options are like this: legal responsibility, financial responsibility, economic responsibility, or ethical responsibility. So when we are talking about laws of land, following laws of land or operating within the laws of land, it is a part of legal responsibility. So the answer is here option A, legal responsibility. Next is, respecting the religious sentiments and dignity of people while advertising for a product is what? Ethical responsibility, economic responsibility, legal responsibility, or personal responsibility. So when we are talking about respecting religious, it is a part of our ethical responsibility. So that's why here our answer is option A, ethical responsibility. Next is, providing charitable contribution to educational institution is dash responsibility: economic, legal, discretionary, or none of these. So when we are talking about charity, it is not compulsory to anyone. That's why it is a part of discretionary responsibility. So here our answer is option C, discretionary responsibility. Next is, a business enterprise has the responsibility to provide a fair return to dash: to tax authority, to government, to shareholders, or to customers. So when we are talking about providing fair returns, it is obviously these returns are related with investors, shareholders, or owners. So here our answer is option C, shareholders. Next is, which of the following is a responsibility of a business towards the workers? Options are like this: fair wages, providing opportunity to the worker for meaningful work, right kind of working conditions, or all of these. So when we are talking about responsibility towards workers, every option is a part of it, like fair wages or providing opportunity or right kind of working condition. Everything is a part of social responsibility towards workers. So here our answer is option D, all of these. Next is, which is an example of responsibility towards consumers? Options are like this: supply of right quality and quantity of goods and services, responsibility to provide a fair return, fair wages to workers, and none of these. So when we are talking about responsibility towards consumers, obviously they are asking for right quality and quantity of goods and services. So here answer is option A, supply of right quality and quantity of goods and services. Next is responsibility towards the government is what? Option A, pay taxes regularly and honestly. Then supply of goods at a reasonable price to consumers, safety of investment provided by shareholders, or fair wages to workers. So when we are talking about government, they are asking only tax from the business enterprise. So here answer is pay taxes regularly and honestly. Next is smoke and other chemicals from manufacturing plants are type of what? Land pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, or all of these. So smoke and other chemicals from the manufacturing plants are obviously they are polluting the air only. Here air pollution they are creating. So here answer is option A, option B, air pollution. Next is the primary cause of water pollution is industrial waste dumping into water, river, waste dumping into lake, chemicals dumping into pond, or all of these. So we can see every option is creating the water pollution. They are responsible for river, lake, or pond. So that's why here answer is all of these, option D, all of. Next is dash damages the quality of land, making it unfit for agriculture. Options are like this: water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, or none of these. Alright, so when we are talking about agriculture, agriculture sector or land, it is obviously land pollution. So the correct option is option B, land pollution. Next is noise caused by running of factories and vehicles cause air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution, or all of these. So in question only you can see noise caused by. So here they are talking about noise pollution only. So that's why here our answer is also option C, noise pollution. Next is noise pollution can be responsible for loss of hearing, mental disorder, malfunctioning of the heart, and all of these. So due to noise pollution all these things are happened. So that's why here our answer is option D, all of these. Next is dash has created a hole in the ozone layer leading to dangerous warming of the earth. Options are like this: land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, or none of these. So when we are talking about ozone layer, it is due to air pollution only. So that's why here our answer is option C, air pollution. Next is pollution control is needed to dash. Options are like this: benefit of mankind, to preserve precious environment, to improve the environmental quality, or all of these. So here when we are talking about need of pollution control, it is required for benefit of mankind also, it is required to preserve precious environment also, it is required to improve the environmental quality also. So that's why here our answer is all of these. Next is the word ethics has its origin in Sanskrit word, Latin word, British word, or Greek word. So we know that ethics has its origin in Greek word only. That's why our answer is here option D, Greek word. Next is enterprise with effective ethics programs do define the principles of conduct for the whole organization in the form of written documents, which is referred as the dash. Ethics, codes, business practice, or management commitment. So here when we talk about the written document which is useful for conducting the whole organization, principles of conduct which is used for management of whole organization. So here it is in written part, it is in written form, so it is called code only. All right, so the answer is here option B, code. Next is publication of code by an enterprise covers areas such as product safety and quality, fairness in selling, fundamental honesty, or all of these. So when we are talking about code, code covers everything, like all options are there: product safety and quality, fairness in selling, or fundamental honesty. All things are covered in this, and that's why our answer is here option D, all of these. Next is, which of the following is not part of ethics? Options are like this: fairness in dealing, charging fair prices from customer, giving fair treatment to workers, and none of these. So when we are talking about ethics, all options are part of ethics only, but here the question is negative, which is not a part of ethics. All are part, that means here answer is option D, none of these. Now the last question is, assuming social responsibility is in interest of, options are like this: both firms and society, then B, firms, C, interest of society, or D, none of these. So when we are talking about assuming social responsibility, obviously it is in interest of both firm and society. So that's why here our answer is option A, both firms and society. So here our test is over. You people do the total of your marks and tell me in comment section.